Hello everyone, so today I want to share with you these 4 rare coins from the Philippines. They are 4 commemorative 1 peso coin from 2016 and 2017, and let's see how much they are worth. So the first coin is a commemorative coin in celebration of General Artemio Ricarte's 150th birthday. Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas is still selling this coin for 75 pesos, and it has a Mr. Rarity Index of 40, meaning it is somehow rare. On eBay, someone is still selling this coin for 40 pesos, which is 40 times its regular price. So be sure to check out your purse if you have any of this coin. Second coin is a commemorative coin in celebration of General Isidro Torres' 150th birthday. Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas sell this coin for 75 pesos, and it has a Mr. Rarity Index of 41, so it's rarer than the previous coin. I saw a post in eBay selling it for 50 pesos or $1. The last time I see this conversion of 1 Philippine peso to 1 US dollar is way back 1970, so better to check this out. All of these coins have the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas logo on the back, the denomination, and the minting year, which is 2016, except for the ASEAN, which is 2017. The third coin is a commemorative coin, not for a general, but for a priest. This is for the 100th birthday of a Jesuit priest and historian, Reverend Horacio de la Costa. Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas sell his coin for 75 pesos, and it also has a Mr. Rarity Index of 41. So this is also an easy collectible coin from the Philippines. Same seller sells this coin in eBay for 50 pesos. So it's a good catch if you get this from the bunch of coins that you have. The last coin is a commemorative coin for the ASEAN 50th year anniversary, which was held in the Philippines. Numista has this coin in a rarity index of 29, which means that this is an easy coin to get. But if you check on Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas website, they don't sell this anymore, even though it is the latest minted coin among this set. Even with this case, I saw a posting on eBay of someone selling this coin for 20 pesos, which is not a bad price. 20 times its original price, so if you can get a lot of it, your investment will get to 20 times. This coin is the most unique among the 4, since it has a list of all the members of the ASEAN on the coin. It also has Jose Rizal's monument at the backside and a lot more. Overall, this is a cool coin. So let's have a last look of the back of this four commemorative coins that I have. So here's the front side of all of these four coins. So these coins are given to me by our company nurse when I was working in Ortigas. So I want to thank her, and she also gave me a lot of other coins like the 5 peso commemorative coins and some 10 peso coin. And those will be shown on the video after this. So hope you stay tuned, subscribe, and like this video if you like it. And if you have this coins, be sure to comment down on the comment box below if you're selling it. Maybe some other people wants to buy it, and maybe we could have a deal here in this video. Just for comparison, I want to show you the current circulating coins that we have here in the Philippines. So this is the newer coin, and this is the older minted coins. So as you can see, almost all of them are identical. So it's hard to see if they are this commemorative coin or just a regular 1 peso coin. So just be sure to check it out if you're getting a bunch of 1 peso coin. As I've said earlier, I also have the 5 peso and the 10 peso commemorative coin, but I want to share it into another video because this video is taking so long. I also have the currently circulating coins from other countries given to me also by my friends in YouTube and other platforms that I have. So hope you stay tuned, check out this video. I want to thank you for watching this video, and again, if you're not yet a subscriber, please subscribe. If you have any comments on this video, just be sure to put it on the comment box below. And if you like this kind of video, be sure to press the thumbs up button. So that's all for now. Thank you and God bless.